The Power of People and Nature. Mie Brand. The power of people and nature. The sea, the land, and the sun. Mie's nature is a gentle power. It is the skill of outstanding people that draws out such power. Encounters here have created miracles. Pearls. A nucleus is inserted into each mother oyster by hand and carefully protected as a whole. That is how pearls are cultivated. The mysterious radiance of each single pearl continues to attract people. Spiny lobsters, Isaiabi. Spiny lobsters, known as Isaiabi, are protected through strictly observed closed seasons and handled with the utmost care. Their firm, translucent flesh is strikingly beautiful, offering a springy texture and sweet umami that reflect the deep respect for nature cherished by the people of this region. Abalone. Abalone, raised in the waters of the Kumano-Nara Sea and Ise Bay, are characterized by their thick flesh, firm texture, and delicate umami. They are one of Mie's most celebrated luxury delicacies. Matoya oysters. Nurtured by the blessings of forest and sea, each Matoya oyster is carefully cultivated. Their plump flesh reflects the ingenuity and craftsmanship passed down through generations. Hijiki seaweed. Wild hijiki seaweed, naturally grown in the Sea of Ise-shima, has a firm, compact texture. Its natural flavor is gently brought out through a traditional steaming method. Anode fugu. Wild Toda fugu, also known as Japanese pufferfish, and grown in the swift currents of the Kudoshio, are landed with great skill and care to minimize stress. Local fishermen show honor to the sea through sustainable fishing practices, such as releasing juvenile fish. Rock oysters. Rock oysters are born out of the skill of fishermen who carefully read the tides and the generous blessings of the sea. They embody the pride and resolve of those who live in harmony with the ocean, resulting in an exquisite delicacy. Hamaguchi clams of Kuwana. Hamaguchi clams of Kuwana, nurtured by Ise Bay and the Kiso Three Rivers, are a true gift of nature. Those exquisite clams embody the devotion of fishermen who have faithfully protected and passed down the natural bounty through generations. Aosa seaweed. Mie's Aosa seaweed, widely cultivated across the prefecture, boasts the largest production in Japan. Nurtured in the calm innermost parts of bays, where rich river waters flow, through the daily efforts of local producers, it captures the fresh, aromatic flavor of the shore. Toshijima Tolo Sawala. Carefully caught by pole and line fishing and meticulously maintained for freshness, the tender and melty flesh, famous as Tolo Sawala, of Japanese Spanish mackerel from Toshijima Island, boasts very high fat content in Japan, making it a miracle of Ise Bay. Matsusaka beef. Each cow is raised for about 3 years with careful attention. The tender melt-in-your-mouth texture and rich umami are the result of a nurturing environment and deep affection. Iga beef. Iga beef, Nurtured by a climate with significant temperature variation and pure waters, is traded as a whole live animal to build trust. Its producer's dedication to meeting consumers' expectations brings out its truly authentic taste. Kumanoji Doti chicken. Raised slowly in the embrace of Kumano's pristine nature and the loving care of local people, Kumanoji Doti chicken develops a firm yet pleasant texture and rich umami. Its refined taste has earned acclaim throughout Japan. Ise tea. The rich umami of Ise tea reflects the high quality of its leaves. Nurtured by the region's climate and produced under rigorous quality control, its fragrant and elegant flavor is highly praised nationwide. Non-Kimi-kan. Non-Kimi-kan, a type of mandarin orange commercialized only through advanced quality sorting and strict selection standards, is filled with the wisdom and devotion of its growers who make the most of the region's climate and natural environment. Ise takuan. Sun-dried miso no radish is carefully pickled in rice bran using traditional methods. Through slow fermentation over 2 to 3 years, it develops an exceptional crisp texture, rich sweetness, and umami. Ego rice. Meticulous soil preparation and a rich natural environment nurture Ego rice. Its sweetness that deepens with every bite is a testament to the community's sincere dedication. Ego-ware. Made from porous clay, Ego-ware withstands intense flames, retains heat, and breathes. The craftsmanship of master artisans, shaped by a profound respect for the users of Ego-ware, adds a new chapter to its 1,300-year history. Yokkaichi Banko ware. Carefully selected clay, seasoned techniques, and thorough quality control. Those accumulated efforts shape Banko ware with dignity and reliability and continue to produce a wide variety of finely crafted products. Hinoki cypress. Mie's hinoki cypress trees have thrived through careful thinning and pruning, as well as forest cultivation techniques handed down through generations. Their reputation for high quality is a testament to the foresters' deep devotion to their forests. Cotton textiles. Where tradition and innovation meet, cotton textiles embody both usability and beauty. A commitment to integrated production continues to produce exceptional pieces that resonate with the spirit of the times. For details, please check the official website of Mie Brand.